So hi guys, back to my another video of my browser app on Thunkable part 2. So sorry, very sorry guys, I'm making the video very late because of some issue. So now what we will do today we will complete the designing of our my browser app. So what we will do, go on add components and write there as screen and put it in the settings box. Now screen 1, erase it, erase the 1 and write there as for screen 4 cartoon car, cartoon what is happening. So guys, I will not write the whole name, but you write the whole name as cartoon media screen. I will write only the CM. CM. Okay. Not think that it is a chief minister, but it is the name of the only. Now take row, 3 rows. It didn't stick to the cartoon media screen. Now set their horizontal alignment to face around. Space. Now take 3 button, 3 label, and each button and label in each row. 1 button and 6. Button. 1 button 1 and erase the text. Button 1. See. And the background here. Label it. Right there as cartoon. Go on button and empty their text. Button 2, make background empty. Background. Guys, I have uploaded this images, downloaded these images and import to this Thunkable. Don't feel like I have put these images are already in this. No, these are imported as I have seen in the done in the part 1 of our browser app. and button 3 right there as Sonic. Empty the button text. Background color also empty and background picture I give Sonic. So we have done the designing of our cartoon media screen. So now make another screen. This screen 5 right there as SE. SE. SE means search engine. In short, I am writing because the fault in the computer is something. So you can write it as search engine. So now same process. Now there is a little bit of twist. Here we have to take only 2 rows. We have to take only on row 8 and row 9 and set their horizontal alignment as space around. So in row 8, take a button and a label. One button and a label. Each row. And empty the text. And button 1 Y and background. Y for Yahoo. So Yahoo search engine. So right here as Yahoo. Button also same would be G. I mean Google. Background color empty. Background picture. This is yes right here. So guys, we have done the designing of the my browser app. So in the next video, we will make a tutorial. I will make a tutorial on Scratch. Okay. Or I will make a live video. So till then, bye bye, tata, see you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and comments will be off always. So bye bye, goodbye, good night if you are seeing in the night, and if you are seeing in the morning, if you are waking up, and if you are what I say, you are waking up and seeing the video. So good morning, and if you are waking from afternoon and seeing the video, good morning, good afternoon, and if you are present, so namaste. Okay, bye.